The analytics tool of the online Sendai Framework Monitor is one of the key features of the monitoring system. The analytics enable member states to analyze and demonstrate their progress in implementation of the Sendai Framework, and in particular, how they stand in their efforts on risk reduction as compared in time and geographic space. Furthermore, for the first time since the adoption of the Sendai Framework, the launch of the analytics allows the general public to see how member states have reported against the global targets and indicators. This includes reporting on disaster losses, disaster risk reduction strategies, international cooperation, multi-hazard early warning systems, and risk information. Please note that only data validated by the member states will appear in the analytics section of the monitor. If the member state has not validated the data in their reporting, then it will not appear here. This video will highlight some of the key features of the Analytics tool. To access the Analytics tool, click on the Analytics square in the top menu of the SFM. Once you do, you will see a number of choices. All the data can be filtered for comparison by target, indicator, year, and country and/or region, and the analyzed information can be accessed as charts, maps, and tables. When selecting reported data that you would like to see, your first choices are year and country or region. Reporting year is the calendar year the data applies to. For example, damage and loss data for a specific disaster in 2017 will be under reporting year 2017. Country or region selects the validated data from a specific country or region. Next, select your targets and indicators. Currently, the system only allows you to select one specific target or all global targets A to G. If you would like to view, for example, targets A and E, they would need to be selected separately. After you select your global target, you can further choose to view validated data for a specific indicator under that target. If you would like to see general progress of that target, then select the Progress option. Once you have made these basic selections, you may choose to compare between countries or regions. You may compare countries between single or multiple countries and/or regions. You may choose to view the data either as a chart or a table by selecting the buttons under the word Evolution. Note that unvalidated data and data that has not been entered by the member state will be blank or appear as a dash in the relevant data box. Furthermore, charts, tables, and data cannot be downloaded from the system at this stage.